The Amazon Voice Remote Pro has just come out, and I believe this should be sold with every Fire Stick and every Fire TV, but it's not. Instead, they give you a wide assortment of different Fire remotes to choose from. But the Pro, it does everything better. And because it comes now with channel buttons, a favorite buttons, it has all the great features that you get normally in the Fire TV Alexa voice remote. This remote is going to be a game changer for most people. Let's talk about why. So let's just go over the improvements that the Amazon Alexa Voice Remote Pro has made. So if you compare the Pro model to the standard and the ones that come with the Fire TVs, they're all going to be a little bit different. Our settings button is located in the center on your Pro, and you have your favorite buttons. These favorite buttons can be assigned not just for simple tasks like your favorite app or your favorite channel. You can connect it now to things like your favorite Alexa smart skills, as well as you can connect it to things like your Ring. So if you take a closer look at your Pro, you're going to notice that on the back it has very clean, slick lines. There's your front. It just feels very natural in the hand. So the best functions on the Pro are that it's going to have backlit keys, because now you have so many more buttons. In the dark, you're going to be able to see exactly what you're pressing, which is one of my biggest complaints, because all of these Fire remotes traditionally were black. So in the dark, you had to fumble around and figure out which one is right. So Amazon has made it really easy to pair your Pro remote with your television. All you got to do is press and hold the home button for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You want to go to your settings on your Fire, and then you're going to go to controllers and Bluetooth devices. We have Alexa voice remotes, yes. We're going to add in a new remote. So we're adding in a new remote. It's going to say searching. So if your device is in a pairing mode, it's going to locate your device, and you're going to be able to select it on the television. Now I'm connected to my television. If you do not have the previous Fire TV controller, you're going to need to reset your set top and then pair with it. So I noticed that the buttons here are a little bit smoother to press. So when I go left and right, it's not as clicky, but it does make a click sound, and it's very smooth. You don't have to put as much pressure as in the previous generation here. Another feature I want to show you is how easy is this to activate the Find My Remote. So let's test, does the Find My Remote function work? Echo, Find My Remote. Oh, so it found it right away. Echo, Find My Remote. We're going to try one more time. Very easy, especially if you have it with the Omni TV, which you can just talk to the television. But it's the same thing if you have a Dot or Show or any other Echo device. You just have to ask it to find your remote. You also have the ability to pair it with the Fire TV apps. So if I want to customize these keys here, the 1 or 2, that's super easy. I just have to press and hold 1, and it's going to say how to set button 1. You can assign a shortcut to button 1 to quickly access apps. Let's set this shortcut. So you can open apps or voice commands or more actions. On the right side, I'm going to set mine to open HBO Max, because HBO Max does not have a button on the Pro. So we're going to set that. So it's going to open HBO Max, and I've set that for customizable button 1, similar to how you would do for your car. Let me also do it for number 2. So we're press and hold number 2. Same, we're going to set the shortcut. We're going to have it for Find My Remote. So it's going to have a voice command, and I don't need to ask the television anymore. I've just assigned number 2 to Find My Remote. If you want to see if it works, we're going to press number 1, and HBO Max opens. And if you want to see the other one working, we're going to press number 2. So you have all the functionality easy to set up, and this only takes about 5 to 10 minutes once you know what you're doing. If you want to activate the backlight here, you got to go somewhere a little dark, because it just doesn't turn on. You have to be in a low light situation, and the remote will sense that, and then it'll activate the backlights. There's no button here that's just going to automatically turn them on, which I wish there was. I wish there was a switch, but there isn't. So we have a set of Bluetooth earbuds here. We're going to press the headphone or Bluetooth button. When we press it, it's going to be searching for Bluetooth devices. It automatically pulls up on my TV. We're going to pair with it. So pairing with the Bluetooth is super easy, and I can hear everything that's coming and playing on my Fire television, which makes having a separate set of earbuds that you could switch out easily better. Does that make sense? The best comparison to the Fire TV remote is going to be the Roku Voice Remote Pro. Because the Roku Voice Remote Pro also comes with hands-free controls and it comes with personal shortcuts. One thing you're going to want to know is that it's not compatible with the Fire TV 1st or 2nd gen, the Fire TV Stick 1st gen. So that means if you have a remote that looks like this, be careful before you get just jump to the Pro. You might want to upgrade your Fire Stick or Fire Cube. In terms of the Pro, the voice controls are going to be very similar to the 2021 edition. And I find that not having to worry about misplacing my remote, it makes a huge difference to how much I use it and where I can place it, especially if you have a toddler or a child in your house. Do I think the Fire TV Pro is a good upgrade? Yeah, especially if you're on something like the Fire TV Cube. I think it's a great upgrade because you're going to get a lot of functionality here. Depending on which device you have, like the Fire TV Cube is more expensive. And that's why pairing it with a $35 remote instead of the remote that comes with it for $30 makes a lot of sense. But you do have to have two remotes, so you'll have an extra remote. Second, the device itself, because of its price, is going to be priced higher or the same price as a Fire Stick 4K Max when the Max is on sale, and definitely the same price as a Fire Stick 4K. So the price is a little bit high for what it is today, but we're expecting the Pros to go on sale, and eventually we're expecting the Pro remotes to be included on other top Amazon Fire devices like the Omni televisions. Check it out. This is David with the French Glow signing off, showcasing to you why the Fire Remote Pro is so good. Catch you later. Bye, bye, bye.